Yes, sirree, Bob. It's that time again for another Synful Pro Tip. I'll be taking you to my sinful world and showing you how I take care of my beard. You want a sinful-rific beard? Just follow these simple, sinfully instructions. Step 1, head over to sinfulbynature.com and pick up your sinful supplies. Or if you're like me, just race up your stairs to go find your sinful product. Golly gee, so much to choose from, Which one shall I go with today? Good golly, Miss Molly, what did I go with? Woo! This is what I start with. You gotta anoint your beard with the oil. You gotta anoint it first. Woo! Going with that villain was 1, 2, 3. Give the bottle a little shake. Whoop, whoop. Draw it up. Look at that sinful. Ah, goodness gracious. And work it up and in, up and in, up and in, up and in. Woo! Next step. Looking for some hold? I grab that sinful balm, got that matching villain right with it. Pop the lid. Roll it up. Rub, 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 rub. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, just rub it on there like that. Get in both hands. I like to work it down. Down. I get it in the stash, gives it a little hold. Woo-wee. Yeah. Oh. Stroke the beard like, oh, it feels so good, so sinfully soft. Yeah, buddy. Oh, look at that. Look at how that just comes together. Even with the balm in, look, it still comes straight through. Oh, oh, help me. Help me, Lord have mercy. Oh, yeah. Oh, what are we going to do about that hair? Boom! Simple pomade. Oh, got that matching villain. Yeah, get some of this up in there, boy. Good time, good times. That villain-rific smell. You can put it in dry, put it in a little wet. You want the extra shine, you add a little wetness to it. That's what she said. Look at that. Glad it's right in like that. Woo! Look at that hold. It holds like a mofo. Woo! Start styling it in the way you want. Comes right in. Just like that. That's that sinful pomade right there. Look at that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Woo! I almost forgot to tell you guys, I wash my beard with the new Synful Balls and All soap. That's right. It can wash your balls, tennis balls, soccer balls, footballs, and it'll wash your hair and beard as well. Whoop! So, you want a shot at winning some Synful? Share this video. Hashtag in the bottom in the comments. Hashtag I want to be sinful. Share this video and we will be drawing a lucky winner to win some Synful products. Is it an oil? Is it going to be the Balls and All soap? Will it be a butter? Will it be a pomade? I don't know. More participation, the more sinful I get.